Namaskar. Computer graphics and application. It is the first topic of the computer graphics subject of the BC6M or the subject also in the MC and some universities. So right now in this video we just discuss computer graphics and its application. So computer graphics is the word which is made up of the two words computer and the graphics. The simple meaning is that computer graphics is the branch of the computer science that deals with generally two things are here. One is how the information that is stored in the computer in the form of the digital form displayed on the output screen, means BDU. For example, here is the two basic output unit which we use in the computer industry, that is the monitor, that is called the CRT, and one is another one is the LCD or the LED. How the output is displayed on the screen is the part of the computer graphics. How that electrons are fall on the screen and how it is converted into a particular picture, how that picture, the elements of the picture shows the picture. Here is another example. For example, ATM machine. If you are accessing the ATM machine, the display where you see what is the interface and further commands, that is the video, the visual display unit. So in the computer graphics, we understand how these images are displayed here. This is a sunflower. Obviously, this is a wallpaper or maybe the image, how it is displayed with all the colors. One thing is we understand this thing. And here is the, I put here a phone. In phone, there are some icons. So how these icons are displayed on the screen, that is the one thing. And second thing is how these icons are created. So computer graphics, computer science is a branch of computer science. And second thing is it uses the software to make the images. Generally, we use the Adobe Photoshop, CorelDRAW, PageMaker, many other things. And graphics in this here is a wireframe. When we're designing a particular object or a machine, we design in beforehand so that we can create that in the fine manner. And the animation, there is a huge big industry of them, in which the animations or the VFX is used. So in our life, the computer graphics has a very major role in the computer science for creating all that things. And what are that application? I listed here only the 10 applications, which are some of the common application. Number one is the art graphics DTP softwares. Arts means we can create very fine images with the help of a computer graphic softwares. Here I put the softwares, art software there, graphic software there, DTP. DTP means desktop publishing softwares. In this, with the help of these software, DTP software are generally the Photoshop, CorelDRAW, PageMaker, Adobe Illustrator. These are some of the common. And there is the GIMP also, a software that is a free software. So it is used for creating the fine things. Second one is the education. In the education, it is a major role for illustrating the particular things. When a teacher in the class, we can explain the thing in the 2D manner, but with the help of the computer works, we represent the thing in the 3D manner. For example, the student who are watching right now this video, obviously that is student of the computer science, they have passed 10th. In the science, there is a concept of, there is science, there is a concept of, so for example, there we in the science we represent the orbitals. You know the shape of the p orbital is in the 3D. So in the classroom we represent that thing in the simple form. There are many other things which we represent with the help of the computer graphics, where we represent a particular process with the help of the computer graphics. For example, there is a process for the photosynthesis. So obviously we can imagine the thing how the photosynthesis process is carried on, but with the help of the computer graphics, we can show the things in the graphics form. Another one is the entertainment. It is a big industry. There is a Hollywood, there is a Bollywood. Many of the things are which are totally animated movies. Many cartoon channels are the children liking the many cartoon. There are numerous number of the cartoon channels which we created with the help of the computer graphics. BFX abbreviation is the visual effects. For example, there is a renowned movie that is a Bahubali. In that is a common waterfall is there. That waterfall is very small, but with the help of the BFX, that is represent as very huge, and there are many BFX are there. Fourth is the CAD. Abbreviation is the computer aided designing. The designing which is used for the architecture, which is used for the map, which is used for the mountains, which is used for the huge architectures, in which we draw the things with some parameters which makes us easy to draw the particular architecture. In the gaming, there is offline gaming, this is the online gaming, Xbox gaming, mobile applications are there. There are online gaming. For example, you are playing many things. For example, you are playing the Ludo, you are playing the other things. You are playing many mobile games, as a Free Fire, PUBG, etc. All that things. The interface which is created in these games is with the help of the computer graphics. Engineering works. In engineering, one thing is when you are doing, particular student is doing the engineering course, there the teacher can explain the thing with the help of the computer graphics videos, how their architectures are made up of. And another thing, when they completed, they are practically performing something. So in the engineering work, there are the huge many bridges. So architecture or the map of that bridges are built before the hand. And in the building also, the map is created. In the building, just we plan a particular thing, we have the top, front, and the side. But with the help of the computer graphics, you can show the things in the 3D. Whatever made in the building, that you can see beforehand with the help of the computer graphics. And this application is applied to the many things. There are the science, engineering, you can say any instrument designing, other things they can use the computer graphics. In the training is very simple. For example, training of flying aeroplane, training of driving a car, training of any operation that is related to the medical science, training of a war. In all the situation, the computer graphics provide the simulator. Simulator just mean that provide a situation. For example, you are flying a aeroplane, you have all the feelings, all the things, all the controls which is used for flying airplane, but that is just in the simulation. Next one is the GUI. Abbreviation is the graphic user interface. Right now, when you use the computer, there is a icons. We use the icons which represent a particular application or particular control or command. The icon, how these icons are created for the graphic user interface. In the starting, I just said VDU visual display unit, the small icons which is in the desktop, on the wall, in the mobile phone. There are numerous number of the icons. All that icons are designed with the help of the computer graphics. And another menu items. Whenever you use an application, for example, you are using the MS Word. In MS Word, there are the numerous small icons. For example, bold, italic, underline. So the word used for, so the icon used for BIU. All these type of the icons are created for the computer graphic interface with the help of the computer graphics. Image processing. Image processing is a very important. In the past, it is very rare technology, but right now it is very common. In this, the face is recognized. First of all, your face is stored in the instrument on the device with the help of the computer graphics with all the parameters. After that is matched. For example, in the latest mobile phone, there is a face recognition option. When you just put the camera in front of your face, your mobile phone is unlocked. But earlier or right now also is used for the crime control, for matching the particular criminal. We find search a particular criminal, so obviously in the database we compare that face, or we can find that guy all the details. Last one is the visualization. Visualization means the representation of data in the visual form. For example, here I put here the election, 2-3 examples here. In the election, you have to understand which party has the maximum vote, which party has the chances to win. So they get all the information in the statistical form, tabular form, and after that, that data is represented in the graphics form, so that the student can, so that the analyzer can easily analyze the things. So student, here the visualization has a very important role in the social media everywhere. There is you have the Snapchat, there is a Instagram, there are the images are there, images which shows something to whom everybody like, share, comment, or whatever. All these things are represented with the help of the computer graphics software. Also in the research work, it is used. Many things are which are not practically performed on the real entities. These are represented in these practicals are performed on the with the help of the computer graphics. So there are some of the important questions related to this topic, and these questions are first question is what is the computer graphics, and discuss the important application of the computer. This is the most common question which is asked many times in the examination. So prepare this topic for the 10 to this 14 marks. Second one, what is the role of the computer graphics in education? How does the CG help in training? And the last one, discuss the role of the computer graphics in the DTP. These are some of the questions. There are many other questions. If you have any question, please put in the comments or ask me. Thank you.